Alright, ake sibingelele kunalupho kufinyelela khona ezobuciko committee igama lami uMelisizwe ngubongimusa ngami noma umfana waseFriday. Namhlanje ngila Okhosini FM kuzo-celebrate kuthiwa yini inkonzo yamasundu njalo ngonyaka yenzeka ke vele ukwazi ukuthi kubhekwe lapha ya kwilokhuzana njengamanje sekubhekwe kuGudu phela manje. Namhlanje ke sinensizwa bathi Aubrey Taki Ndo. Right again mangisho njalo.
Hayi Takindo, yeah, if you say Takindo that's fine. I think abantu angazi nje ngoTakindo. So yeah, ngiyajabula ngiyabonga ukubalana namhlanje.
Yeah, ngicela nje ubhodi kwenzela ukuthi ongamazi noqala mhlawumbe ungena kuleli page mhlawumbe kade engakaza amnotice. Ngicela nje ubhodi ayichaze sibuke nohambo lwakhe la esehambe khona wazi wafika la namhlanje.
Mina uTakindo gospel artist South Africa from Venda, Limpopo. Angicale estradini vele so besiza lana kakhulu workshop sizopromota siyabo Verulamo bo Empangeni sihambe zonke le ndawo bo Port Shepstone senza ama promotion hamba no Rob no Andile so that's lapho sicale khona uyabona manje uNkulunkulu wasiphakamisa from then so manje sesilana sibonga kakhulu umusa kaNkulunkulu ukuthi sifike la sikhona but abantu bazongazi ngengoma nje ezithi babengiside imvuliyeta ngiyavuma moya medley unandaba he can do anything sidwele ingoma zami nje I think abalaleli bazongazi ngazo ya
ufika nini emculweni uqala nje kwakho ukufika emculweni siyazi ukuthi umsebenzi wawusebenza professional wawenza IT ufika nini emculweni
I started singing in 2003 that was my first album so ngifike 2003 so manje I'm like 24 years full time in the industry.
Wow, mfowethu ama challenge mhlawumbe oke wahlangabezana nawo before ube umculi until uhambo nokubonayo sekumehluko manje njengoba usumculi?
Yeah, for me it was tribalism. Yabona mawufika eKwaZulu ucula isiVenda abazi ukuthi uthini so most people then they were not willing to learn other languages. So but for me I had to learn manje ukuthi ngicule ngesiZulu, ngicule ngeSiswati, isiXhosa, futhi ngicule yonke language so that wherever I go people can be able to listen to me. So for me the challenge was mostly the language mara manje asesiyabonga ukuthi bayasicula isiVenda everywhere I go nami ngiyacula language sami yabona.
Utaki Ndo masibuka uhambo lwakhe age of 15 years ubevele seqalile esendimeni kodwa yena ukuzavele kwakhe uthi uvele ngo2004 yini ekuholele ngabe ekhaya vele benikholwa beniphila impilo yenkolo noma mhlambe wajoin emva ukuthi uthola ukuthi ukudlula kababa kwayikhona kwakulidele ekuthenini ustartile ukuzana?
No mina ngikhule at a Christian family so bekholwa endlini vele besiye ekonzweni from Sunday school ngakhule ekonzweni vele but nami vele ngayenza isinqumo ukuthi nami ngamkela uJesu empilweni yami so ngiqale khona lapho.
Khona ingoma eyodwa ngasipha yona esiVenda esifuna ukuyicula ngesiVenda sifuna angithi sise Africa la angithi sikhuluma konke ama language sifuna nje iyodwa oyaziyo noyikhumbulayo eyakulida esiVenda.
Yeah ethi lita dulu lovule uri nabo ne bavelele. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Siyabonga kakhulu Ndo. Awuthi ngikugabusele nge-10 ngibheke la kithi Friday. Ukhona mhlawumbe futhi esingakubuza mhlawumbe ubungafisa ukusho njengomculi?
Ngiyabonga kakhulu abalaleli ngibonga isupport yenu and keep supporting us. May God bless you and give you as desires. Thank you so much.
Siyabonga kakhulu.